We are going to start English 1, total English. See here page number 88. You have to write composition at home, and even this one, report writing, article writing, and then proposal writing, you write at home. And you come to school, you submit, you can say your notebooks to me. This year it is not likely to be opened. It becomes like that. Now see here, we are going to start page number 88. See here, page number 88. See date 10/9/2020, class 12, total English. Today day is Thursday. See first question. As you can say, you know that before answering any question, you have to read the instruction. In each of the following items, sentence A is complete, while sentence B is not. Complete sentence B, making it as similar as possible to sentence A. Write sentence B in each case. Now see first one. 1A. It is appreciable of him to resolve all the issues. Now you see the answer here. How appreciable of him to resolve all the issues. How appreciable of him to resolve all the issues. Okay, number 2. Number 2 you have, my friend showed me his collection of ancient coins. My friend showed me his collection of ancient coins. Now you see the answer. I was shown by my friend his collection of ancient coins. Number 3. The scene was so horrifying that it could not be seen. The scene was so horrifying that it could not be seen. Now see the answer. The scene was too horrifying to be seen. The scene was too horrifying to be seen. Number 4. Many people died in India because of road accidents. Many people died in India because of road accidents. Now you see answer. Road accidents have killed many people in India. Road accidents have killed many people in India. Okay, now we are going to 4, 5, 6. Till 4 we have done. Now 5. 5A. Suresh was a lawyer. He was also a politician. I repeat the question. Suresh was a lawyer. he was also a politician. Besides a lawyer, he was also a politician. Besides a lawyer, Suresh was also a politician. Suresh. So besides a lawyer, Suresh was also a politician. Besides a lawyer, Suresh was also a politician. Alright, number 6. David Copperfield is the best book I have ever read. David Copperfield is the best book I have ever read. Now you see here. Answer. David Copperfield. That I have ever read. Alright, number 7. Anna has not gone for a swim for 5 years. Anna has not gone for a swim for 5 years. Okay, now you see here. Swim was 5 years ago. Last time, see, Anna has not gone for a swim for 5 years. Anna has not gone for a swim for 5 years. The last time Anna went for a swim was 5 years ago. Now see number 8. Unless we hurry, we shall miss the train. Unless we hurry, we shall miss the train. Now see. We must hurry. We will miss the train. So we must hurry, otherwise we will miss the train. Okay, now we are going to 9, 10. All right, now see 8 and 9. 9a. It is a pity you punished him. It is a pity you punished him. 9. I wish you had not punished him. Okay, number 10. Number 10. The train journey from Delhi to Kochi takes 2 days. The train journey from Delhi to Kochi takes 2 days. Now say your answer. Alright, so we have finished A, 3A. One question we have finished. Now we will go to 3BC. So for today only this much. We shall see tomorrow. Alright. Enjoy the study also. Okay, bye.